Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is, let's see, October 21st, Friday, when I'm recording this, and I wanted to show you guys a few things on Apple that really help demonstrate the Moxie Indicator and how it works. This has just worked out very, very beautifully for both the up and the down trend. And so if you guys are new or haven't seen the Moxie Indicator before or something like that, like here's some pretty good examples. Number one, the trampoline move is when price is below the 50, which is the magenta color line, and the Moxie indicator is above 0. So that is what started that trade, that move right there, that trend. And then you can see how price engaged with the moving average and follow that up. Now, as price continued to go higher, we basically we consumed energy, consumed the gas in the tank. And the distance between the 0 line and where the Moxie indicator is how much gas is in the tank. So as you can see, as price continued to move up, you kept consuming more and more of that fuel until eventually you really just rolled over and went to empty. And when the Moxie indicator crosses below 0 is when the Moxie price trigger is fired. So the arrow just correlates to when the indicator crosses below 0, and you can see it happened right there, right on time. Now, the next step is confirmation of the trend to the downside, and you can see that started right there when price got rejected by the hourly 50, same as when it got pushed up or bounced off of the uptrend hourly 50. Same concept, same thing. And then right here where I was talking about the regular trampoline move, which is when price is below the 50, but the Moxie indicator is above 0, that is a bullish situation. You can see here there were inverse trampoline moves, which is when price is over the 50, but the Moxie indicator is below 0. Same structure, same setup, same everything, up or down. And this is the beauty of the Moxie indicator and how that works. So we had that. And now you can see here price going down, Moxie indicator going up, just like this was the other way, price going up, Moxie indicator going down. And then look what happened. Right when the Moxie indicator went from negative to positive, crossed over 0, there's your Moxie price trigger. And then, oh look, you have price starting to engage with the hourly 50. And so far that looks like that wants to continue to hold and push up. It's the same situation as here. So kind of that 1-2 punch with the change of trend with the Moxie indicator price trigger and the support and rejection of the hourly 50, and then also these trampoline moves and inverse trampoline moves. So again, Moxie indicator is pretty awesome when it looks at stuff like this, and I think is really a helpful tool for anybody out there who's trading, swing trading, and the market out there. So I hope you guys enjoy that, and we'll catch you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.